everyone, Tom Drone here. This is the Skyrover X1 with the screened controller there, and this is our unboxing video. So we're going to open this up. We have to open this tab. Everything is contained in our case. Cool little thing here. It's a nice looking case, solid, very sturdy. We have a lot of content. Additional props, screwdriver, more props. Okay, quick start guide. Don't eat this. Our battery charger. I'm supposing these are smart batteries, that I would expect. So I don't see the indicator lights. Here's our controller. This is a very nice controller, guys. Very nice. These will go in like so. Feels really good. Wow. Very nice feel. Good. Touch screen. Notice that the screen is just about the same size as my phone screen. I mean, it's only nominally smaller. Very bright. Feels good. Here's the drone itself. Here's the SkyRover X1. Okay, very lightweight. Nice, I like this cover. Very nice, comes off easily. All right, excellent. I like that. Here we have our, okay, put that there for the side. Additional holder right there. Okay. Folds out. This folds out differently than other drones, as I understand. It goes this way. Totally different. It goes down and out. Very different. Up. And that is cool. It almost looks like a little animal there. Look, a little flying frog almost, you know? Alrighty. There's our camera. Pull this off. Okay. Alrighty, turn this on. Okay, so it's not powered. So I gotta power up the battery. Okay, different. Pulling it out felt different. There's the inside. Very lightweight. And so is the battery. Battery's lightweight too, surprised. Put this in. Okay, locks right in. Very secure feeling. Alright, so none of the batteries have any power, so I have to charge this up fully. Alright, so okay, so it arrives without power, so I gotta charge them all up. There does not appear to be any charging input into the battery itself. We have a lot of sensors throughout as we fly, so that's really nice. This is omnidirectional. Feels really good. Has a very nice feel. These do not bend down. So this is just a very simple plastic charging base. But I like how these all lock in. That's nice. Very secure. So it's charging up this battery first. But look at this also. I can plug the charger right into the drone itself, and I can charge up my battery. So look at that. Now the battery's charging. So if I want to just charge up the drone with the battery in it, I can just keep it all there and charge it up right away. That's really nice. Now I really like this cover. Very, very portable, very practical, very convenient. Very nice. Folds back up. Oh, it folds nicely. Goes back down. All right, so this is nice and very simple and easy to use. Feels nice. It's a good quality plastic, guys. I mean, it's like it doesn't feel cheap. It just feels like a nice quality plastic, a nice quality feel. Feels really good. The antennae, as I open these up, very solid. The controller feels solid. I mean, this is a high quality controller. Everything about this just shows that this is a professional system that we have here. So really, really impressed. And here's the quick start guide with all of our information. Look at this bag here that comes with it. It just looks so nice. Let's see, we can put this in, this back in. So yeah, and then put the drone back in. Very nice. Everything just fits in here quite well, and there's additional space. Quite a lot of extra room here for whatever I want to use, so that's really nice. So just a very nice bag, just a very nice system. All right, now there is on the box here a Scan Me. It takes us to their page, and here we go. All right, I have an Android myself. Look at, here's the manual for the X1, and if you have the S1, okay, very nice. So it's all here, cool. Yeah, it's going to download anyway. I'm not worried. What is there to worry about? It's safe. I'm sure it's safe. And while that's downloading, let's go ahead and hit this product X1 manual too. Maybe that's what I'm downloading. Not really sure what I'm downloading. But again, I'm sure it's legitimate. We don't have to worry, right? It's coming from this site. Oh, there's the user manual. Nice. So look at that. Very nice user manual. Quite a few pages. 31 pages. 33 pages. That's cool. Look at that. Coming to life for the first time. Hello, little drone. Look at that. Look how the gimbal moves. Stay still, regardless of where I move it. Already here. Let's go ahead and connect and see what happens here. So we have the Skyrover X1. Okay. All right, power on and connecting the aircraft. Tap to view all the steps. Unfold the aircraft. We've done that. Let me go ahead and turn it on. The way I turned it on, as I understand, is hit it once and then second time. And now it's on. Okay, so the aircraft is now on. Okay, looks like it connected automatically. Oh, okay, connected automatically here. Aircraft, checking activation status. Nice, and I like the fact that I don't have to register the X1 because it's under a half pound, which is nice. Okay, so we're activating the Sky Rover. Activation is successful. Very nice. Start flying. All right, we're connected, and there we go. There's my information. There's my backyard. Yeah, I know it looks pretty bad. Okay, let's see here. Please go outdoors for flight training. Okay, so we're gonna go outside for flight training. So for the moment, I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the screen of what we see here. We can take photographs. We take video, and you also take a photograph or video with this as well. And I think this is the video button here. Yeah, that's the video button on this side right here. The buttons feel really nice, real nice. They're large, quite comfortable, very clear. Take a picture. Now I do have a card. I'm going to use a 32 gigabyte. I know some people are saying 64 or even 128. This is a 4K video, so that would make a lot of sense. So for the moment, I'm just going to put my 32 gig card in. Again, we can charge the aircraft and see how this fits in there. Looks like it goes in like this, upside down. Is that right? Okay. It seems to be fitting in there nicely. I'm going to go ahead and press it in. Okay, there it is. It's in. If I want to take it out, okay, because that's a spring. Or sometimes you put them in and see, shoots out. I still personally would put a piece of tape over the outside just to be safe. You never know. Looks like it's in there securely though. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Oh, there it is. Ooh.
Take off.
Love how it's quiet. I'm not going to take off indoors though. I'm going to turn off. Nice. Responds right away. That's a big thing of mine. I want a drone that when oh, look at that. No waiting. Starts up right away. I like that. And I like it when I tell it to stop, that it doesn't fight me and keep spinning. It stops right away. That to me is really important. I like that. I'm really impressed at how easy everything is here. Let's hit this. Look at that. Now I can find my drone. Look at the little red lights to tell me how to find it. Alright, let's take this off and see how it does. Now, I'm indoors, and right now it has the obstacle avoidance turned on if I have it on cinema or normal mode, but I'm gonna put it on sport because I don't want the obstacle interfering. Okay, it's gonna take off. And we see it's doing nicely there. Okay, I'm gonna come backwards a little bit. Very, very responsive. I love how I can have it do things, turn around. I just love that. Look at that, nice and fast. I can turn it slowly. Very nice. Bring it down, and it's going to bring it down. Very nice. All right, so I got my work cut out for me, as you can tell. I will be doing some more with this, reviewing it and seeing what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, and I will be getting back in touch with you guys very soon. Let me know what I see. Anyway, guys, I will be making part 2 of this video. We'll be going outside and flying it. I got a lot more to show you. This is Skyrover X1, and I'm looking forward to flying this more and telling you what I see. If you're interested in getting this drone, I do have direct links for you below. Check it out. I'm Tom Drone. I'll see you all next time.